Here's our exhaust port. Remember, the original port was 7 millimeters. We've increased it to 13. So there's what that looks like. It went from 7 to 13 millimeters. And looking at the exhaust port on the 660, it's very similar. So we kept it round, and there is our vertical port. And of course, this is a dual port cover. It's actually a 3-port, but we're going to leave the 460 solid for now. It will look just like this for now. That'll keep it quiet, but yet we've dramatically increased the flow. Alright, so that's what we've done. Thank you for watching.